Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up and unbox two hobby boxes of Bowman Chrome 2008. And it's probably one of the worst years for Bowman Chrome, to be honest with you. And I guess we'll just do one box at a time like this. Because you get a prospect autograph, and I don't think there's any good prospects in this year. Yeah, you get a little scout report, Bowman Chrome sticker. I'll take them out. Beautiful looking packs. The Yankees, little Joe Chamberlain. Yeah, it's too bad you can't get any vet autos in here. And it's going to be the same. The sticker. Yeah, the scouting report. Empty box. All right. Here's the packs. Hopefully, I don't tip over. Looking for some Hall of Fame players, refractors, numbered cards. Beautiful looking cards. Ooh, nice. I think you can get Justin Turner's of this. You can get some decent prospects out of here now, I remember. All right. We will take it. Let's see what we can get. Justin Masterson, rookie card. For the Red Sox. Mark Burley. All right, we got a Tim Lincecum refractor. That's going to be a nice one. Tough to open these because they're so flat. Little print line action going down there. Got to look out, I don't miss any autographs on those prospect cards. Little checklist right there. All right, we got blue. Sweat it to the end. Your prospects, Michael Lowell. And we got Josh Hamilton, blue. Gorgeous looking card. 93 out of 150. Decent name. Ooh, we got an X-Fractor coming up. Jason Nick's rookie, and the X-Fractor is of Mark Burley. It's numbered at 250, 9 out of 250. So that's nice. We got two numbered cards in that box, both decent names. All right, we got some color coming up. Bunch of color. First one, Carlos Beltran refractor. That's not bad. Then we get a Jake Arrieta. That's numbered out of 500. Refractor. prospect refractor there. 3 cards in this pack of the checklist. Seems like that's going to be the case on this one too. It seems very thin. No, actually, got the 4. All right, got a refractor coming up. You know, we sweat them. And it's a Dontrell Willis. And the rookie refractors are numbered, or the prospect refractors, but the regular vets are not. Still haven't seen any autos. There's one right there. Speak of the auto, Ryan Zink. All right, at least it's a Yankee auto. Not numbered, unfortunately. But I guess out of any team, for it to be a Yankee. David Wright. There's a Cleat Thomas rookie card. Those are not numbered, as you can see. All right, refractor right there, Phil Hughes. A lot of packs left. That's what I like to see. Looking for Ken Griffey Jr. numbered. Come on, Justin Turner. Prospect. Albert Pujols refractor. That's a decent one. X-Fractor coming up. Prospect. Danny Lehman for the Twins. Prospect autograph. Gorgeous. At a 250. Love, love, love the X-Fractor autos. Let's try to move this over a little bit. Get a couple more cards on screen. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let's say we're about halfway there. Those are like my favorite cards, those refractors. Those X-Fractors are so sick. Not the player we're looking for, but Jason Nix, refractor rookie. Joey Votto rookie card. That's a decent one. All right. Didn't know we're looking for him. Now I'm excited. Justin Turner on the back. I like it. There we go. So those are two of the players I'm looking for, I guess. Be nice to get a Justin Turner autograph. Come on. Joey Votto, rookie auto. Actually, no, it says prospect auto, so Justin Turner, come on. Show up again. Manny Ramirez. There we go. Calyx. Krabby. Rookie Refractor. And we're getting there. Hopefully we can see some more color. Thank you for sticking around. Sweat that color. Denard Spawn. We need a Joey Votto refractor. Hunter Pence. Come on, give me some low color. Give me a super. How sick would that be? Johnny Cueto rookie card. That's not a bad one. Josh Beckett on the refractor for the Red Sox. Oh, Mike Lowell. Where's this autograph hiding? Unless you only get one per box. Yeah, no, that's actually what you do get. Hopefully we can get one more colored card, though. Maybe not. Oops. Sorry for moving the camera. And Saltalamacchia. And that is going to do it. Thank you for watching.